Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial Creating a Jupyter Book with the Turing Way. I am Malvika Sharan. I am the community manager of the Turing Way, and in this particular video I'm going to introduce you to the first module of this tutorial. I'll start by sharing my slides. So as said, this is the first module. You don't need to run anything for this module, but it would be useful if you can open the first notebook or the page for first module. In this tutorial, you will learn about the Jupyter Book and the Turing Way projects. We will help you create a first Jupyter Book from scratch using examples from the Turing Way Guide for Reproducible Research. This particular module is going to introduce you to the tutorial in general. There are some prerequisites. GitHub is quite useful because at the end of the workshop, we will help you set up a GitHub repository for your Jupyter Book. Most essential are that you have worked with Markdown files and Jupyter Book and you know how to open it. We will be using quite a few Unix commands, so it's quite important that you understand what we're doing. A basic Python script is quite useful too, but that's an optional. If you don't know how to use GitHub, we have provided a beginner's guide, same for the Markdown and Jupyter Books and for Unix commands. So let's meet the instructors. First, it's me. You can follow me on Twitter. Second is Martina, who is a PhD student in Germany and has done a tremendous amount of work in this tutorial in general, but is a huge part of the Turing Way core contributors community as well. Sarah is also part of core team, and she in general provides quite support for the Turing Way and has also worked on one of the modules in this tutorial. And you'll meet them in short videos and through the work that they have done. Let's meet the project leads as well. In the left-hand side, you have Kirsty Whitaker, who is the project lead for the Turing Way, and on the right, you have Chris Holcroft, who's the project lead for the Jupyter Book. In Module 2, you will learn a bit more about both the projects. We've also described how you can set up your computer for this tutorial. For the most part, we will be working locally, and you should be able to run Jupyter Notebook. You should download the data, which are the example files available in the repository. So we'll show you how to download the entire repository locally. And you can also use requirements.txt to install supporting software. We will also work on GitHub, so it's preferable that you have a GitHub account. So with that, again, welcome to this tutorial. Thank you for being here. You can visit the tutorial and tell us how we can improve it by visiting our tutorial repository on GitHub. So take some time to get to know all these resources. Thank you.